So how it feels like a Googler, like Kaleen Bhaiya of Mirzapur, कैसी feel आती है?
This was like a dream which been like I never saw this dream like, and this is done now.
It's good. Like it's like तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई घर वालों के डायलॉग टिपिकल डायलॉग तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई.
So hi everyone and welcome to this amazing session. So today we have two amazing guests with us and both are Googlers. So दोनों ने Google निकाल रखी है and दोनों Google में जाने वाले हैं. So सही है and उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा आज, like how did they prepare, कि कैसे उन्होंने इंटरव्यू निकाले and कैसे उनको इंटरव्यू कॉल्स आई, how was their interview experience and what it generally feels like to be a Googler, है ना. तो सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है एंड लोग ड्रीम करते जाने के लिए, तो दोनों के बारे में जानेंगे. सूर्यांश एंड अनदर इज चिराग. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. थोड़ा सा इनके पहले इंट्रो के बारे में जानते हैं रिगार्डिंग देयर बैकग्राउंड. तो स्टार्टिंग विद सूर्यांश, यू कैन टेल अबाउट योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट.
So hello everyone, I am Suryansh Gupta and currently I am doing my bachelor's in information technology from Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur. So that's all.
ठीक है. So चिराग, you can tell a little.
So hey, I am currently in my senior year of IIT Guwahati, pursuing my degree in computer science field. Well, a bit about me, I am quite a big sports freak. So from cricket to football to lawn tennis. And also, I'm quite a Barca fan, so anyone could hit me up for a conversation anytime. So yeah.
Definitely. ठीक है, तो दोनों की लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल होगी तो बात कर सकते हो. किसी को बारसा के बारे में बात करनी है कि जनरल के बारे में बात करनी है तो बात कर सकते हो उनसे. ठीक है, चलो मेन बात पर आते हैं. तो यार कैसे तैयारी करी? मतलब आई थिंक गूगल इज द ड्रीम कंपनी, तो तैयारी करना अपने आप में सेंस होता है. तो कॉलेज टाइम में क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था कि मुझे गूगल ही जाना है या क्या करना है, और हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर? तो सूर्यांश, तुम थोड़ा सा बता सकते हो पहले.
Like I was not having dream of Google because I started with learning my first programming language in college only. So in my first year I learned C. Then in summer break of first semester I started doing competitive coding. So I really loved at sports. I'm also a sports freak. I am a basketball player of my college, and also like I also play all the sports. So I really find correlation in CP and sports. So that was a good adrenaline rush. So from there I picked started liking algorithms and like problem solving, and then I got intern in Microsoft in my third year. So after that I got intern call for Google. So after like that was the first time I thought about going into Google when I got a call. So the call is also because of Kickstart ranks, and so then I prepared, started narrowing down.
Sure. So I think mostly तुमने CP and DS and algo ही ज़्यादा करा था.
Yeah.
Nothing development and all.
Not much. Like I've done projects, but not too much into it.
ठीक है, so सही है. DS and algo के बारे में ही ज़्यादा कुछ करा इन्होंने. And चिराग, you can elaborate a little. तुमने कैसे करी?
Yeah. So well, the first year majorly was around C++, learning the basics of pointers and all. The major preparation for the internship drive started from my third semester basically. So I started out with the basics of data structure and algo, and dhire dhire like moved on to learning the advanced topics in data structures. Then in fourth semester, I would say one of the most hectic semesters it was, because I had to manage both the competitive coding as well as the projects, because for the resume, like I think we should have 2 or 3 good projects in our resume. So I started with projects in Android development as well as in web development, along with one project in cloud. So for the competitive coding, I joined the course by Coding Ninjas itself. So I would say like which was really helpful, as it was quite well structured and had quite a good level of questions. And once I had gained enough confidence in competitive coding programming, so I started giving regular contests on Codeforces and CodeShip. And then after all this, for the interview process, specifically in my internship, I started with questions from interview bit and lead code, because I think that was the main crux and type of questions that are asked in the interview. So yeah, that was my journey to the internship session.
I think mainly DS and algo करा, लेकिन चिराग ने काफी ऑलराउंडर की तरह परफॉर्म भी करा, वेब डेवलपमेंट भी एंड डेवलपमेंट भी. तो अमेजिंग यार, अमेजिंग. ठीक है, तो यार ठीक है, इंटरव्यू निकालना एक बात है, लेकिन इंटरव्यू लाइक पाना एक अपने आप में चैलेंज होता है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बात कर लेते हैं. आई थिंक मोस्टली टफ होता है. तो हाउ डिड यू गेट द इंटरव्यू कॉल? आई थिंक चिराग, वी कैन स्टार्ट विद यू फर्स्ट नाउ. कैसे मिली थी इंटरव्यू?
Yeah. So well, in my college, the Google came in my college itself. It was one of the few first companies that came in our college during the first week itself. So initially we had to submit our resumes, and then 10 students were selected for the interview round. So hence resume plays an important role to get the interview call, because it was the first barrier to be crossed. So I believe like one should have their USP, the unique selling point, for getting the resume shortlisted. For example, in my case, I was among the 2 students who interned in Samsung in the second year itself, and also had my Aditya Birla scholarship, and I was the only one who got in my college. So that like this way you can have your USP written and highlighted in your resume. So I think those are the points which Google might consider to get you the call.
आई थिंक अमेजिंग. तो केवल ऑन कैंपस नहीं, आई थिंक चिराग के पास यूएसपी था, तो आई थिंक उसकी वजह से उसको काफी फैक्टर मिला टू गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड. अमेजिंग. चिराग, सूर्यांश, यू वांट टू एलैबोरेट हाउ डिड यू गेट द इंटरव्यू कॉल?
For me, it was off campus, so I got call from Google coding competitions like CodeGem and Kickstart. So I used to like participate in all the contests, and I was having some decent ranks. So I got a call from that.
श्योर. आई थिंक सूर्यांश ने कॉम्पिटिशन में फोड़ा है. आई थिंक तो मेहनत तो लगती है इंटरव्यू निकालने से पहले भी, पाने के लिए भी आई थिंक इनफ मेहनत लगी है. तो सही है यार, दोनों ने मेहनत करी है एंड अमेजिंग. तो यार थोड़ा सा अब इंटरव्यू पे आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, इंटरव्यू कॉल हो गई. अब हाउ वाज योर इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस? कि कितना, हाउ विल यू रेट कि कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है और किस टॉपिक्स के अराउंड तुम्हारे इंटरव्यूज में जनरली फोकस हुआ था? सो चिराग, यू कैन एलैबोरेट अ लिटिल फर्स्ट.
Well, I had given a total of 6 rounds of interview, 2 for my internship and 4 for my PPO selection. So I'm fairly acquainted with the questions and the pattern that Google asked. Well, the 2 rounds that I gave for my internship, they were quite like easy, medium level, I would say, and they were mainly focused towards arrays and simple trees, like simple BFS, DFS traversal on trees, with some of the tricky part over there, not so straightforward. Well, for the PPO, the 4 rounds that I gave, those were like the really tricky and the meat part. Like they were really medium to hard level on the lead code basis. So one personal suggestion from my side would be to do lead code rigorously. Like personally, it helped me a lot. Like around 50, 60 questions from each of the topic: BFS, DFS, graphs, trees, and all of these. And the topics which were mainly covered in these 4 rounds of interview for my PPO selection were dynamic programming, graphs with BFS, DFS, Dijkstra and all, and some really good questions on trees. Like I really love the questions. Like I really didn't found those questions anywhere, but love the concept that were asked in the interview. So yeah.
डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक अच्छा, मतलब टॉपिक्स वही हैं बट उनका एक लेवल, अच्छा लेवल होता है एंड बेसिकली उसमें एक ट्रिकियर पार्ट इन्वॉल्व होता है इंटरव्यू.
Yes, they look out how basic.
Completed.
Yeah, so I think like they look how is your basic knowledge in that topic. Like sometimes I have seen that students just do the questions and like memorize the questions more or less, but to learn the basics behind the question is also important. That is where I guess Google targets a lot. That like this is what I have personally felt.
Got it. Suryansh, you want to elaborate a little bit about your interview?
Yeah, like I completely agree with Chirag. The difference is that like the solving question is not the only part, and you should know the algorithms by heart, the logic behind using that, and why this works, why this not. So these are the questions which interview ask. Like if I say that this problem is solved with Dijkstra, so why this part of Dijkstra is important? What if I don't do this? So these are the questions they ask. So this can be answered only when you know things by heart. So that's the difference. Like, yeah, questions were solvable for sure. Like a good cognitive coder can solve it, but knowing it by heart requires a lot of practice and reading so many approaches. Like lead code helped me also a lot, and like reading lead code discuss is a bit crucial part. Like there you can get very good solution, multiple solutions, and that really helps. Also, like my intern played also important part. Like I was doing intern at CN, like problem set intern. So there I used to write approaches and different approaches. So there I got time to get more insights of the problems, algorithms, and which really helped me in interviews.
Sure. And topics वही था, यही trees.
Topic were like there were Dijkstra, like very good problems on recursion, trees, and then DP, and like Dijkstra, DFS, PFS.
ठीक है. तो I think for all the everyone around there, ये topics वही हैं, बट अच्छे से बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ेगा एंड क्यों होता है क्यों नहीं होता है सबके बारे में
Yeah.
अच्छे से सोचना होगा. I think got your point. Amazing.
Communication should be good. Like you should be able to explain that why you are doing this, why not the other thing. You should prove your logics.
Definitely. Got your point. ठीक है, आई थिंक कर लिया है. तो अब थोड़ा सा और तुम्हारे बारे में जाना है. तो अब क्या प्लान है फ्यूचर में? जैसे गूगल निकाल लिया है तो सही, अभी वही सोच रहे हो, दोनों आई थिंक 4th ईयर में हो, तो कुछ फ्यूचर प्लान और सोचा है और अभी क्या कर रहे हो आजकल? आई थिंक सूर्यांश यू कैन स्टार्ट विद नाउ.
So currently I'm doing data scientist intern in DirectEye. So like I haven't thought much about future, but yeah, like I feel that I have not explored many fields. Like I am not much into development. I have more done ML things. Like my intern project was also an ML, and my personal projects were also more on ML. So I want to explore the other fields as of now.
Sure. आई थिंक अमेजिंग है. सूर्यांश ने डायरेक्ट टाइम भी निकाल रखे हैं, तो ही इज आल्सो एन ऑलराउंडर. तो मस्त है. चिराग, व्हाट योर फ्यूचर प्लान एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग?
Well, nothing particular at that time about the future plans. I'm just really excited to join Google and be part of such a great company.
Sure.
And as the last semester is in progress, just enjoying the last few days at the college, partying, trying out new sports with friends, and like revisiting the old places to get back the nostalgia that we'll take back to our homes. So yeah.
मस्त है. फाइनल ईयर है, चिल मारना चाहिए. मस्त है. तो बस एक आखिरी में एक पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है यार, दोनों गूगलर हो एंड लाइक इट्स अ ड्रीम कंपनी, तो हाउ इट फील्स लाइक अ गूगलर, लाइक कालीन भैया और मिर्जापुर, कैसी फील आती है? लाइक साइड में लोग क्या बोलते होंगे यार गूगल ने निकाल ली, एंड यू फील लाइक अ किंग. तो सूर्यांश, कुछ होता है क्या? अलग सी फील आती है?
Like yeah, it feels really great that like this was like a dream which like I never saw this dream, like, and this is done now.
Sure.
But also it feels like this is not impossible because like that's not much different. Just we need to make our basics clear, then for sure anyone can do it.
Sure. अब चिराग, कैसी फील आती है?
Yeah, it really feels good. Like it's like तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई, घर वालों के डायलॉग, टिपिकल डायलॉग, तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. So after such a long and a rigorous progress, so yeah, it really feels good. And obviously looking for free food and goodies that Google provides. So yeah.
Sure. So amazing है. I think it was loving to talk with both of you, and मुझे भी मजा आया, and hopefully people will learn a lot from both of you. तो सही है. I think if any suggestions they can ask you on the LinkedIn, and thank you so much for your time. And
Sure. Thank you.
thank you.
For new programming updates and videos, subscribe to Coding Ninjas channel.